We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi, this is ICRT's Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong
And I Joseph Ling. And I understand right now it's time for the AHA Hakka Arts Festival. 这个很有趣的一个名字叫做 AHA 的客家艺术节。现在呢，也请 Alice 来给我们介绍一下，好不好
？OK， 已經辦過4年嘅AHA客家藝術節活動為青島嘅優秀客家藝術嘅工作者開闢了新嘅那個表演嘅舞台。咁今年嘅藝術節除了有傳統嘅客家戲曲創新之外，還有客家嘅音樂劇、客家嘅流行音樂，還有充滿了個電影嘅搖滾派對在4月份陸陸續續嘅展開。行卡特別嘅係夏威夷限定開幕嘅時節，有請到國際嘅環保音樂家馬修連恩來台演出咯。故所大家有興趣嘅話，就得上夏威夷嘅網站。
www.hakka.gov.tw. I love doing that. Sounds like I know exactly what you're talking about, but basically, again, giving you that website so you can find out more about the AHA 2006 Hakka Arts Festival. And 我刚刚听到了一个人的名字叫马修连恩，对不对？
错。
Matthew Lian is also going to be part of this arts festival. Oh, that's really cool. 因为他一直对这个台湾很有感情，你知道吗？So that's really cool. And you're going to be able to enjoy all sorts of things. 譬如有什么样的东西，大家可以看到？
客家嘅歌舞劇，
客家嘅歌舞劇，客家的
歌舞劇。
歌舞劇 Okay, so you'll be able to enjoy Hakka dance performances. All right. What else? 还有什么呢？
音樂劇。
音樂劇，音樂應該是音樂嘛？劇。Okay, it's a musical basically. 有音樂劇。
還有搖滾派對。
哎呀，這很特別啊，這為了年輕人，我覺得搖滾
派對。
派對就是派對嘛，就是 party. Okay, so there's gonna be a rock party as well. 順便，我們沒有學過藝術節到底怎麼說？
藝術節。
Okay, that's very cute. That's the arts festival. This has been going on for 4 years already, so go check it out again at www.hakka.gov.tw and enjoy some great music at this festival. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
是母太嘎。
俺子 say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.